Shout out to Chris, Mina Gallery, throwing in the art performance. We have officially reached a level of art performance now with everything we got going on in the car. Going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys can't see the hint right there, we are back at it with my 2017 Jaguar XF. Mina Gallery sent me a powder-coated blue air intake system to complete the open air intake system that I started purchasing 2 years ago. So we've been having the cones on the outside into the factory stock inlet hose piping, and they've sent me an more free-flowing intake system right here. Let me show you guys all about it. Let's hop into it. All right, so we are laying this out just so you guys can see how this works. In the kit, they have 2 couplers on each end and then the center coupler for the intake system right here. So the first thing you want to do is actually secure the inside. So this is on there now. This is loose, and this is a breather hose which goes onto the factory breather hose, and then eventually what I'm going to do is cut this and just place it on there. It doesn't really need much else. It's just a breather hose, so I don't really need to even clamp it here. It's just gonna push right onto here, and that's that. So this here we're gonna put together next, right? Put this here, and then secure that, and then lay everything loosely, and then just apply the outside units, and we'll keep going. So for starters, I already went ahead and cleaned the debris out of the filters. They're nice and blue. They were really black and dirty, but now they're nice and clean. You can see the other one over there drying in the sun. But I'm over here because obviously, this is going to go onto the car like this, and this hose here goes into this hose here, MAF sensors here, and so we're going to be disconnecting here. And then this MAF sensor goes into this inlet here like that. You'll see this coupling here is the 3-inch side for the inside of the pipe. 2 3/4 goes to the mass airflow sensor, and then the original kit that came with the filters had this little ring that goes inside here. So this will stay intact. I've already had these in there for many years, and that will go onto here. So we need 2 extra clamps for this on each side. So 4 extra clamps, the original setup, and then obviously that just attaches right here. So very straightforward on both sides. All right, guys, there is the final look. I had an extra, you guys go to Harbor Freight or any local store for hardware, keep extra hose clamps like that in stock. Put that on there. That should be solid. We're good to go. This thing is on there nicely. Get a little polish up. I don't want to touch it anymore. So we got fresh, clean filters, and let's go give this thing a quick ride. For the startup, sounds just like it should. All right, so in all fairness, here it is 95 degrees out. Sounds great. Again, super hot outside. Alright, so as I was saying, it's 95 degrees outside. AC's running hot or cold. Sorry, I just got a call that my new Saab has a new clutch put in, ready to go. I haven't driven the car yet, so anyways, back to this. Oh yeah. I feel like there's more torque. Sounds a little louder. I'm sure as I drive the car more, I'll give you some more feedback, but again, AC's full blast. It's so hot outside right now, so nothing's gonna really be top performance. But once this thing gets moving, I'm sure we'll give you guys more of an update. So I won't finish this video until we drive it a little bit more. But first instincts is I think it's a little torqueier, which is awesome. Torque is what you want from your 0 to 60. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. Alright guys, couple days later here. It is currently 79 degrees out, not 95. The car feels a little torqueier, a little more responsive, especially once you get moving. That's what I'm noticing with this upgrade. So I know there's been some videos on these inlet tubes, and you know, metal will hold more heat than plastic, but I think once you're driving it and stuff, and there's fresh air coming through, cooling everything down, I think it's fine. I honestly, I think the only time you feel most of the heat is when it's really hot outside, but no matter what you have on the car, you're gonna feel that. So, you know, all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. There's a little bit more noise coming from the intake, a little bit more of a throatier sound, which I like. All in all, it's got great aesthetics, and I haven't noticed too much of a bad thing with the power. If anything, I feel a little bit more, like I said, responsiveness from the throttle response. So it's a little bit torqueier, a little bit more responsive, and all in all, very happy. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions about this video, about this upgrade, you guys can reach out to me on Instagram at Kyle Pansis, or if you call Mina Gallery, they will answer, and it's probably to defer you to watch one of my videos, which is cool. Love to do the videos for them. They have some great products, and all of their products that I've purchased over the last few years for this Jaguar XF have all performed phenomenally well, and so far have all held up very well too. So